Namaste everyone, I am Nihira Hanusri from Sarat Chandra IAS Academy studying in intermediate first year. Now I am going to talk about Election Commission. Elections are described as the festival of democracy. In our country, Election Commission is entrusted with the task of conducting elections. Election Commission is a permanent and independent body established by the Constitution of India to ensure free and fair elections in the country. Article 324 of the Constitution provides that the power of superintendence, direction and control of elections to state legislature, parliament, office of president and office of vice president shall be vested with the Election Commission. Election Commission was formed in 1950. The Election Commission consists of Chief Election Commissioner and other election commissioners appointed by the President of India. Recently, there has been a controversy regarding the Chief Election Commissioners and other election commissioner bill passed by Rajya Sabha. This controversy started when Arun Goyal, who served as the Secretary of Ministry of Heavy Industries, was appointed as the third member in the Central Election Commissioner within 24 hours of his retirement as a bureaucrat. A Supreme Court Constitutional Bench took over this issue and it recommended a three-member collegium for the appointment of election commissioners. The collegium consists of Prime Minister, Chief Justice of India and the Leader of Opposition. But the bill that was passed in Rajya Sabha consists of Prime Minister, Union Cabinet Minister and Leader of Opposition as the members of the Selection Committee for the appointment of Election Commissioner. Here we see that the judgment of Supreme Court and the bill passed by the Rajya Sabha were contradictory to each other. The Election Commission is an institution of excellence because it enhances active engagement, participation, deepening and strengthening the electoral democracy in our country. Election Commission maintains integrity, autonomy and independence, as free and fair elections are a prerequisite for the success of democracy in our country. Thank you.